Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. Today we are going to make this beautiful 3D sketch in AutoCAD. So let's get started. Initially, when you open the AutoCAD, you usually get this interface. Here, when you click on this pop-down menu in the dialog box, you see the different templates. Go to File menu and click New. Here in the default setting, Imperial is a feet and inches setting, while metric is the millimeter setting. Our drawing is in inches, so select Imperial and click OK. Select the SE isometric view and set the front plan as our drawing is shown in the front view plan. To bring the UCS icon into the down left side corner, just scroll the mouse roller to upside slightly, and the UCS icon will move towards the down left side corner as you see. Now click the circle command and draw a circle of 3 inches diameter. Again, take the circle command and bring the cursor near to the circle to draw another circle of 2 inches diameter on the center point of the first circle. Here we see it doesn't show the center of the circle because the snap setting off. Here we click on the snap setting, click Object Snap, and click on Select All to active the Object Snap modes. OK. Now click the circle command. Enter D for diameter, select the center point, and draw a circle of 2 inches diameter. Click Enter to finish the command. Now take the Press Pull command and select between the both circles. Give the value of -1.25 to extrude it to the backwards. Choose the front plan and change the 2D wireframe to shaded. Here we will make a cutout having 3 inches length, 0.75 inches width, and 0.38 inches depth. Click the rectangle command. Now click and drag the cursor, enter D for dimension. Give the length of the rectangle 3 and the width 0.75. Draw a center line of the rectangle. Select Move command, or simply type M, press Enter. Select the rectangle and the line, press Enter. Pick the midpoint of the line and place the rectangle on the circle center point. Now select the Extrude command, or type the shortcut as a EXT, press Enter. Select the rectangle and give the extrusion value -0.38, press Enter. Now select Subtract command, or type the SU. First select this one, press Enter, and then this one, press Enter. Now we are going to make the cutout on the top. Distance from the circle quadrant is -0.38, width is 0.5, and the depth is 0.25. Change the top plan. And draw a rectangle of 3 by 5 points. Select the Move command or type M, Enter. Pick the midpoint and place the rectangle on the circle quadrant. Again, take the Move command and select the rectangle. Give the base point. Type at 0.380 to move the rectangle in a Y direction. Take Extrude command, select the rectangle. Give the depth -0.25 and press Enter. Select Subtract command. First select this one. Press Enter and then this one, Enter. To remove the extra lines, right-click here, click Isolate, click Hide Objects. Then select the object, press Enter. Now delete the lines. And again, right-click, select End Object Isolation. The object is appeared. Go to Modify menu. Click on Solid Editing, click on Color Faces. Now select the different faces. Press Enter and choose Color. Click OK to apply. Again, press Enter. To repeat the command, select Color and choose colors for other faces. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Support, like, share, and comments.